G'day guys, how are we? In this video, we're going to be taking my beautiful car down the Black Spur. If you guys don't already know, I own a Hawkeye WRX. This thing is my absolute baby. I've done a lot to it, but all you guys are going to be really hearing today is a straight pipe and the blower valve. So I'm going to be taking you guys on a bit of a point of view drive. I'm not going to be going like crazy or anything on it. I'm not going to be pushing the car really too much. It's just going to be basically just for sound and all that sort of thing. So yeah, if you guys enjoy it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And without any more wasting time, this fly can go away and let's get driving. Let's go. All right, let's go. Start her up. Now we got to try to get out of here. That's the problem. We've got a little bit of a break. Not much though, there's a car behind us, so. Oh, we're already caught up to it, far out. So they must have let him past and we missed out, that sucks. A little bit of rain last night, so it's still pretty damp all over the roads and everything, so I've got to take it a little bit easy. But yeah, it's actually a really nice day. The good part as well. Oh, that was a big flame. Jesus Christ, I saw that shit out the back. this guy's giving it a crack for a 4B. Respect, honestly. But would appreciate if you move there, buddy. And we're already caught up to another van. Lovely. I'm just gonna slow down and let it go a little bit. Hopefully I get a few corners in. Wait, no, slow vehicle turn out. Let's get up his arse. Let's go, 4B. That's funny. Let's go, man. Look at the body roll on it. That's great. Crap there. Jeez, he's getting a bit slippery. Buddy. He was really sending it for a 4B, like you could see he was like proper slipping out and everything. Oh god, is that a cop? I don't know. 100% that was just police. Lovely. We know they're on the road, so we weren't speeding. Alright, so we're just recording on a different camera, hence why it sounds a little bit different, but as you guys just saw, we went down the Black Spur. It was awesome fun. We did some driving with the 4B, which was quite funny, and he was actually doing alright, surprisingly. Mans was lifted and everything. It was quite funny to actually follow. But yeah, it was good fun. I hope you guys enjoy sort of the point of view type videos. If you guys want to see more, let me know in the comments. And another thing I'd actually like to ask is, in the future, would you guys be interested in me making some like stickers or any type of merchandise? Just, I don't know, I thought I'd throw it out there, so if any of you guys are like interested or have any ideas or anything like that, let me know in the comments. Just thought it'd be a bit of fun. But yeah, let me know if you guys liked this sort of point of view type content. Let me know in the comments, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you guys next video. See you later.